Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Last couple of session we learned about definition of matrix and then we learned about the addition and multiplication. In multiplication we also learned different properties like matrix multiplication is not commutative. That's mean if you have a matrix A multiplying with B does not equal to B into A. Today we will learn about spatial metrics and without wasting time, let's jump into actual session. Thank you. Okay, so we will talk about the spatial metrics today. And the first spatial matrix which we talk about that is called zero matrix. Okay, let's consider it is a m by n zero matrix, and normally we denote this by O. Okay, and if it is 2 by 2 zero matrix, that's mean all the elements of this matrix are actually zero. So this is one kind of spatial matrix, and later we will explain like where actually these matrices are used. But today's session mainly focused to understand this spatial matrix and then basically familiar with these terminologies and understand this matrix. Okay, next is the identity matrix. Identity matrix. Okay, this is our second option. And what is identity matrix? Identity matrix is always a square matrix. So remember this, identity matrix will be always a square matrix. That means your number of rows and number of columns will be same. And identity matrix, like suppose if you have a matrix A, an identity matrix is denoted by I. If you multiply it, you will get back the same matrix. And in this case, it is also true that if you multiply identity matrix with another matrix, that is also true. So this is a true property. Okay. How identity matrix is? Identity matrix is nothing but, like if I consider a 2 by 2 matrix, all the diagonal elements will be 1. That is identity matrix. Clear? Okay. Next, we will talk about diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Okay. Let's denote it by D. And if you do that, then your diagonal matrix will be something like this. 1, 2, 3, and all the other values which are not part of this diagonal line, that is 0. Let me just make sure that it is in a proper line. Okay, so this will be 3. Okay, so this is my diagonal matrix. That's mean this diagonal line, all the elements will be on this diagonal line. Clear? Okay. Now let's talk about upper matrix, upper triangular matrix. So next we are talking about upper triangular matrix, and similarly there will be a lower triangular matrix. So we are talking about two different things. So upper triangular matrix, let's denote by U, and here it will be something like this. So let's take the same example, 1, 2, and 3, and under this it will be still 0. Here it will be still 0, but here you will have some values. So why it is called upper triangular? Like if you just draw probably a line, if you draw a line like this, it will form a triangle. That's why it's a upper triangular matrix. Now, what about the lower triangular matrix? I think by this time you already understood this, like nothing but nothing major. Only thing in this case, it will be again 1, 2, 3. Your upper values will be all 0, but your lower values will have values. So this is the lower triangular matrix, because if we draw a line, it will be lower triangular matrix. So upper and lower is clear. Now we will talk about one last thing. This is called banded matrix. Banded matrix. Okay. And for example, we'll talk about, let's tri-diagonal. Tri-diagonal matrix. Okay. How it will look like in this case, it will be something like this. So first of all, its diagonal element, let's consider D1, D2, D3. It will have elements on this one, and then it will have element on D4 and D5, D6, 0, and D7 and 0. So why we are calling it a tridiagonal? Because it's a tridiagonal. That means we have one diagonal. This is our first diagonal. We have data on that one. We have second diagonal on this one. We have data on this. And we have third diagonal. We have data on this. That's why it's a tri-diagonal, and it is called a banded matrix. So now tri means 3, but it can be more, right? So that's the basic concept of the special matrix, and in next videos we'll use all of this kind of metrics. We'll learn more about this. Um, Thank you for watching my channel. If you love it, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. That when your support will help me to grow. Okay, thank you. Bye.